Good morning, good morning, good morning worldwide to all subscriber of mine, to all viewers of my YouTube channel, to all supporters of YouTube channel. Good day. Now in Baghdad, Iraq, it's not so cold. It's not so good what I mean because the weather is raining. So I make video because I cannot make live outside. Oh, you see, it's raining. It's raining. Okay. So keep safe, Iraq. I don't know in the another cities of Iraq if it's raining also. Basta here in Baghdad, keep safe to all of us. Happy Thursday. It's already weekends. It's weekends. Okay, it's raining time. Okay, so I picture in the balcony because yesterday it's very dirty and it's more little bit dusting, so that's why. Okay, so I make to brush white in the floor because I put my laundry and I fix if everything will be okay, not to be what's that of the rain, to make it fix because we have too much stuck stuff here. Yan. Okay, and this one is mini balcony for stock room. Okay. So it's raining. Be careful. Ingat. And sa some different countries that it's winter time also and raining time. So be careful talaga because the weather is not good. And sometimes the weather is very dangerous also. Okay, kaya keep safe lagi. Ayun yung place ko na favorite na until now. That is the Centennial and the souvenir history in here in Baghdad. Okay, so ayan, I continue na what I do. So I make only a video and I make here to continue my video. Okay. See, at least be careful for all Baghdad, especially that you are driving. Be careful talaga. Be careful. Okay. Bumaliktad na yung cellphone. I'm very sorry. Bumaliktad na yung cellphone. Ay, naku, bumaliktad ang cellphone natin. Dito na lang siya. Diyan na lang muna yung cellphone natin. Okay. Kasi it's very dirty talaga. Dusting. So, kailangan ma-remove natin dahil pag nag-rain, spotting ang bagsak yan. There is no security in the water because it's raining. And the post security. Kaya continue tayo. Even it's raining. Okay. Even it's raining, we continue to clean. Continue cleaning lang tayo. Because that is our work. Okay? That is our work. It's work time. So continue work. Grabe, ang malikabok. At saka maglagay kasi ako ng laundry. Kaya kailangan. Kaya magbibidyo na lang ako dito dahil walang wifi dito. Ayan, tingnan mo yung floor. lagyan ng ano, ng lalagyan ng tubig kasi nga may mga gamit. Kailangan ko pa rin ilinis, kailangan ko pa rin i-clean. Kahit nag-raining outside. On the another side, maybe I can make water there. Kasi mas lalong makapal yung ano, yung dust. Pag hindi mo siya yan ang water. So dito, tanggalan ko muna siya ng ano, alikabok. Ayan o, nakita mo yung alikabok kasi na. Ayan o, kita mo yung alikabok. O, ayan yan. O, ayan, kailangan i-remove ko muna yan bago mag-mop. O, kahit raining, dapat i-clean pa rin kasi nga maglagay ako laundry. Okay, ayan o. O. Okay. Ngela, ganito tayo kaano pa muna sa mga gamit natin. Dapat we must to be take care what stuff that we have. Even we are not buying this one and that one is not for us. So we must to take care. Kailangan, for me kasi, even small stuff, I give it important for me, especially in my work. Even that one is not mine, even that one is not my money, but I must to be take care. Oh, tingnan mo nga yung worker doon, oh, yung cleaner, oh, oh, ayan, oh, naglinis pa rin sa street, oh, demore na ang mga kadama in the house. We need to clean. Oh. Oh, diba? Kaya we need to clean. Kailangan ganito. Linis tayo. Baliktad pala yung cellphone ko. Yala. Pagkatapos inap natin yung sahig. Para ano. Mag-spotting kasi yung mga glass. Kaya at least man sa kabila lang, sa labas lang yung mag-spotting ng maitim-itim. O not maitim-itim, brown pala. Kaya kailangan natin yan, oh. Kailangan natin i-clean. ingat sa lahat ng mga subscriber ko dito sa Iraq. I don't know if all cities is raining time. Be safe lagi kasi sa labas is the road is under of construction pa. Until now, it's still under of construction pa din. Kaya take care, keep safe in driving. Tayo ng tubig. So, i-transfer ko na yung cellphone ko para mamaya pagkuha, madali na lang. So, okay, sige na, mag-bye-bye na lang ako. Okay. Yela, bye-bye. Thank you again for watching to all videos and short videos of mine. Keep safe to all of us. Good day to all. Nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, ulitin na naman, to the different people in this world, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Okay, thank you very much. Sa buong mundo, okay, laging iingat kayo kasi maulan, at saka sa ibang weather, hindi ko alam. So, sa different countries, sa ibang countries pala, what I mean. Kaya ingat lagi, ingat talaga lagi. Okay, sa all families that what I have, ang kantuangkan, both side ni nanay, ni tatay, mga nis, mga apo, mga amo, mga anak ng amo ko, pamilya ng mga amo. Shout out to all of us. Okay, Yelan, thank you, and bye-bye. Keep safe lagi. God bless us all.